The panel object can be used to draw dividers, grids, gates, and can be inserted in either the 3D or plan view. Selecting the panel object from the drawing menu and choosing the type that we need, with the first mouse click, the object is connected to the cursor and can be easily rotated using the F7 and F8 function keys. With the second click, we can then fix it into place. When in select mode, we can then edit the height and width using the object grips, or edit these parameters in the properties pane.